Hello students, welcome to the practical session on meter bridge. In this session, you will learn to find unknown resistance and specific resistance of the material of the given wire. The object of this experiment is here in front of you to find the resistance of a given wire using a meter bridge and hence determine the specific resistance of its material. So this is the unknown resistance. We have to find resistance of this wire and also the specific resistance of the material of this wire using a meter bridge. Requirements to perform this experiment are meter bridge. It has a 1 meter long wire made of constantan or manganese fixed on a wooden board along with a meter scale. These are copper strips of negligible resistance. These are known as terminals for connection. This is the resistance box, galvanometer, Leclanche cell, one-way key, unknown resistance, and a screw gauge also. This screw gauge will be used to measure the diameter of the given wire. To perform this experiment, all these components are connected as shown in the circuit diagram and block diagram. This is the circuit diagram and this is the block diagram for meter bridge. Working of meter bridge is based on the principle of Wheatstone bridge. Wheatstone bridge is the combination of 4 resistances or 4 resistors of resistances P, Q, R, S along with a galvanometer. This is the source. The resistances are so adjusted in the arms that the galvanometer shows no deflection and the bridge in this state is said to be balanced. In this state, ratio of P to Q is equal to ratio of R to S. I have shown here resistance of this part of the wire is P, resistance of this part of the wire is Q, this is unknown resistance R, and this is S taken out from the RP or resistance box. So by adjusting the value of resistance from the resistance box, we obtain the null point on the meter bridge. I will show you that how the null point is obtained. After making the connections, check whether the circuit is correct or not. For this, place the jockey at one end of the wire and see the deflection of pointer is in one direction, and by moving the jockey to the other side, deflection is on the other side of the galvanometer. If it is so, that means the connections are correct. Now we can start the experiment. To start the experiment, take out a resistance from the resistance box. This is the resistance box. all these resistors are connected in series. I have taken out 2 ohm from this, and in this condition obtain null point by moving the jockey on the meter bridge wire. Null point means the pointer should be at 0 of the galvanometer. So this is the position I have mentioned in the observation table also. See the observation table. I have taken out 2 ohm resistance and the null point is obtained at 57.1 centimeter. This length is also known as balancing length. The remaining length 42.9. These lengths are to be used in the formula for calculation of unknown resistance. Like this, take at least 5 observations of unknown resistance, take mean of all these values, and then in order to obtain the specific resistance we use this formula. In this we have to substitute value of radius of cross section of the given wire, unknown resistance X obtained from table number 1. The readings from the screw gauge are also to be reported. First of all, least count of the meter scale which you are using in the meter bridge. Length of the resistance wire. This is the resistance wire. Its length is to be measured with the help of a meter scale. Measurement of diameter of resistance wire with the help of screw gauge. Find least count, pitch, zero error, zero correction as you have done in class 11th. Take at least 4 observations for diameter of the resistance wire. I have given you an example. Solve it and find out mean corrected diameter of the resistance wire. After knowing all these values, substitute values in the formula of specific resistance and obtain the result. Mention the result like this: value of resistance of the given wire and value of the specific resistance of the material of the wire. Last step would be writing of precautions and sources of errors at the end of the experiment. Thank you very much.